This is why your Mustang GT key fob isn't working. No clicks, no lights, just frustration. But there's usually a quick fix. First, check the battery in your key fob. Most Mustang GT key fobs use a simple coin cell battery. If it's dead, your buttons won't respond at all. Just pop open the fob with a small screwdriver, swap in a new battery, and see if that solves it. Still not working? Try standing closer to your car. Sometimes interference or a weak signal can block the connection. If the key fob still fails, check if your car's receiver is blocked by metal objects or electronic devices. Remove anything that could cause interference. Sometimes your fob just needs to be reprogrammed, especially after a battery change. Check your owner's manual for steps or contact your Ford dealer for help. And if none of this works, your key fob may be damaged. Replacement fobs are available online or through your dealership. Remember, always keep a spare key handy, just in case. A non-working key fob is annoying, but it's usually a simple fix. Stay prepared and keep cruising in your Mustang GT.